Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this playlist, Data Analytics using KNIME for Business Decision Making, we are learning how to analyze business data step by step. In the previous video, we discussed data analytics for decision making. Today, we will understand what KNIME is, its features, applications, and how industries use it. What is KNIME? KNIME stands for Konstanz Information Miner. KNIME is an open-source data analytics and data science platform that allows users to analyze data using a visual, drag-and-drop workflow instead of coding. In simple words, KNIME is a no-code or low-code tool for data analysis, machine learning, and business intelligence. Why KNIME is important for management students and professionals. Many management students and researchers are not programmers. They want powerful analytics tools that are easy to use. KNIME is very useful for MBA students, PhD scholars, and business professionals because it allows advanced data analysis without deep programming knowledge. Main features of KNIME. Feature 1, Visual Workflow. In KNIME, you create workflows by dragging and connecting nodes like a flowchart. This makes data analysis easy to understand and teach. Feature 2, Data Integration. KNIME can import data from Excel, CSV files, databases, and even connect with Python, R, and SQL. Feature 3, Data Preprocessing. You can clean data, handle missing values, filter data, and transform variables easily. Feature 4, Advanced Analytics. KNIME supports descriptive statistics, correlation, regression, classification, clustering, and machine learning models. Feature 5, Text and Sentiment Analysis. You can analyze customer reviews, social media comments, and interview transcripts using text mining. Feature 6, Visualization and Dashboards. KNIME can create charts, tables, and interactive dashboards for managers. Feature 7, Automation. You can automate workflows and repeat analysis, which is very useful for research and industry projects. KNIME is widely used in different business areas such as marketing, finance, HR, operations, academic research, KNIME and other analytics tools comparison. We can understand that Excel is used for basic analysis, while SPSS for statistical analysis, and Python and R for coding-based analytics. Whereas, KNIME combines statistics, machine learning, and visualization in a single visual platform. Therefore, KNIME provide broader alternative to analyze business data. In the next video, we will download and install the KNIME Analytics platform and explore its interface. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more data analytics tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell.